I am Dr. Anna. Did you know that it is possible to start regenerating your cartilage in just 24 hours? It sounds almost impossible, right? But today I'm going to share the secret that no orthopedist tells you. Quick and effective methods to get your cartilage to begin repairing from day one. Do you want to feel your joints more flexible and pain-free? Stay with me because this will interest you, as I'll talk not only about supplements but also about exercises, specific foods, and habits that accelerate regeneration. We're going to structure this video in 5 steps so you don't miss anything. First, I'll tell you what cartilage really is and why it's so hard to regenerate. Then we'll look at the supplements that will help you make that leap in quality. Next, the express exercise plan you can do at home. Later, I'll tell you which foods should never be missing from your diet. And finally, those practical tips that will make all this effort worthwhile and keep your joints healthy forever. Did you know that most people believe cartilage simply wears out and that's it? The reality is different, and understanding this is the key to starting to repair it fast. Cartilage has a limited capacity for regeneration, but with the right combination of factors, this capacity can be maximized within 24 hours. Now, do you want to know how to activate that process? Follow me. First, let's define what cartilage is. It's that flexible tissue that protects the joints, acting as a cushion that prevents bones from rubbing together. When it gets damaged or degenerates, pain, inflammation, and loss of mobility appear. The problem is that, unlike other tissues, cartilage has no direct blood supply, which is why its regeneration is slow and complicated. But what if I told you we can metabolically stimulate it so it starts repairing soon? Now let's face a reality. Many treatments promise miracles, but few have scientific backing and results in record time. Do you want to know which ones really work? This is where the direct clinical knowledge of an experienced orthopedist comes in. This isn't just theory, it's applied practice you can start today. Let's talk about supplements. Did you know not all cartilage supplements are the same? Some don't even reach where they need to. The one that stands out and has truly proven to accelerate regeneration is glucosamine sulfate combined with chondroitin. Why? Because these compounds are natural components of cartilage. Taking them helps rebuild the cartilage matrix and reduce inflammation in the joints. But beware, it's not just about taking them. The right dose and supplement quality make all the difference. Additionally, recent science has discovered that type 2 hydrolyzed collagen can be a key enhancer. It increases production of cartilage-producing cells called chondrocytes. And what if I told you there's a protocol for taking them in combination that can make your body start working on repair within the first hours? In a few minutes, I'll detail it so you can apply it without complications. But what happens if you only take supplements and do nothing else? Here comes what many ignore and what can make everything fail. Movement is essential. That said, not just any movement. There are specific exercises that activate the circulation of synovial fluid, the fluid that nourishes cartilage and allows it to regenerate. Want me to show you which ones? I promise they're simple, require no gym or equipment, and you can do them at home in just 10 minutes. These exercises increase oxygenation and nutrient exchange in the joint, something cartilage urgently needs to begin repairing. The best part is they also reduce stiffness and pain almost immediately, so you'll feel better from the first day. But what about diet? Stay tuned because the foods you eat can be your best allies or your worst enemies. You may be eating things that increase inflammation and hinder repair without realizing it. I'll tell you which foods you should prioritize to speed up regeneration and which you should eliminate, even if it hurts. For example, omega-3 is a natural anti-inflammatory that facilitates cartilage repair. You'll find it in fatty fish like salmon and in chia or flax seeds. But it's not enough to consume them. You have to know how to combine them for your body to make the most of them. Foods rich in antioxidants such as broccoli, blueberries, and walnuts are also key to protecting cartilage cells while regenerating. And here's a fact few know. Vitamin C intake is critical because it's involved in collagen synthesis, the scaffolding of cartilage. But beware, excess sugar and inflammatory processes worsen the damage. That's why today I'm going to give you a basic 24-hour menu you can follow that will give your body everything it needs to start the process. Besides supplements, exercises, and foods, there are practical tips you must consider to not only begin regeneration, but also maintain it. Simple things that make a difference: staying well hydrated, avoiding overweight, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. Did you know that sleep deprivation slows down cell repair? Think about it. While we sleep, the body releases growth hormones that repair tissues. If you sleep poorly, forget about regenerating cartilage fast. Also, proper weight control is key because overload on the joints hinders regeneration and speeds up degeneration. So, is losing a few kilos worth it to help your knees or hips recover? Definitely yes. Before I give you the full plan, I want you to understand something important. This process isn't magical, but with consistency and applying the right tools, cartilage can improve much faster than you imagine. Now, take note because I'm going to give you the exact protocol to start today. 4-hour protocol to regenerate your cartilage. Supplements. 1,500 milligrams of glucosamine sulfate per day, 1,200 milligrams of chondroitin, 10 grams of type 2 hydrolyzed collagen, preferably in powder form for better absorption. Take them with a meal containing vitamin C to boost collagen synthesis. Exercises. Gentle joint mobility. 3 sets of 10 repetitions of circular movements in knees or affected joints. Static stretches holding each position for 30 seconds, e.g., quadriceps and calf stretches. Low-impact exercise like stationary biking or swimming, 15 minutes gently. Diet. Breakfast, smoothie with hydrolyzed collagen, berries, spinach, chia seeds, and natural orange juice. Lunch, baked salmon with broccoli and quinoa. Dinner, green leaf salad with walnuts, olive oil, and a piece of organic chicken. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and fried foods. Habits. Drink at least 2 liters of water. Sleep at least 7 hours of quality rest. Use warm compresses on affected joints for 15 minutes to improve circulation. Control body weight and avoid positions that put excessive pressure on joints. If you follow these steps, within 24 hours your body will start showing signs of recovery. Don't expect instant miracles, but you will notice less stiffness and discomfort when moving, which is the first sign that cartilage is responding. Remember this. Your body has an incredible capacity to repair itself. You just have to provide the right conditions and the necessary boost. Now that you have this information, you're at an advantage. Don't let pain limit your life. Put this simple yet powerful plan into practice. Before finishing, I want you to reflect. What is worse, living with pain and limitations, or investing a little time and resources to start regenerating your cartilage and regain your quality of life? The choice is in your hands, and I just gave you the map to achieve it. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe because I will keep sharing medical secrets you won't find in clinics. Leave me a comment telling me which part you'll implement first, and if you have questions, I'll be reading every message. You've unlocked knowledge that will change how you take care of your joints forever. Don't miss this opportunity. Start today, and you'll see that your cartilage's health can start improving in just 24 hours. See you in the next video.